Hello students, standard 10th English grammar, in which we will start a figure of speech that in this video. Let's learn what is figure of the speech. The figure of the speech may be asked you in the MCQ type of questions. Let's see what is figure of the speech. There are many kinds of figure of the speech, in which we see the first figure of the speech is simile. What is simile? Let's see that. The definition of the simile is comparing two things that have some quality in common. Comparing two things that have some quality in common. Two things that have same quality. Then we use the simile speech. The recognized word of simile speech, like recognized word, like, actually when we compare two things now, the word like, as, resemble, or than, that kind of words are used there. In a comparative degree we used also than. For an example, the girl is as beautiful as rose. Then, like, he plays like Sachin Tendulkar. Resemble, she's her expressions are resemble of this heroine. So there are the words that compare two things to person. Parrot is peacock is more beautiful than parrot. Then used than is there. Peacock is more beautiful than parrot. So simile word is used here. Simile speech is used there. Let's see another speech. Metaphor. Comparison of two things. That does not use like, as, resemble, or than. Actually, it is the difference between the metaphor speech and the simile speech. When we compare with as, like, than or resemble, then simile is there. And when we compare two things without that words, or like, is, resemble, or then it is a metaphor speech. Like, you are what you ate. Then you compare two things. What you are, that you ate. Her hair was silk. Comparing things without as, like, or a resemble, or a then metaphor speech is used there. Let's go ahead about the personification speech. Gives the qualities of a person to an animal, object, or an idea. When you want to say something about your ideas, your qualities, and compare it with the animals or an person, then personification speech is used there. Like, she sings as if she were Lata Mangeshkar. Here, her quality of singing is compared with Lata. So it's a personification speech when it is used. He acts as a donkey. Compared things, qualities thing like him. In a satire matter, in a irony matter. Let's go ahead about the alternation speech. Use of same sound at beginning of words that near to each other. It is the definition of this. We can also say that repeat the words again and again. In a Gujarati or Hindi, we can say that चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चो चो चो. In every the first letter the cho 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 came. Kachi keri kachi papad. That kind of repetition of word. It is called alternation of the speech. Sarah's 7 siblings like to sing. that kind of words, that kind of sentences is used into alternation speech. The speech that are remained that we will see into our next video. Till there, practiced it. Have a nice day.